A good technique to use is to look for patterns in both your image and your finder chart. Use whatever pattern you see first and most clearly. The first pattern I spotted was these two pairs of stars, each with one bright star and one dim star. Once you find those in both pictures, you have your bearings. You can then leapfrog from one star to the next until you make it to your target star. Once you have the target star, you can use it to find two comparison stars. In this case, the three stars make a triangle. See if you can find the target star in this next image using those tricks. Here's a hint. They're somewhere in this area. Here's the target star, and its two comparison stars in a triangle. Some stars can be tricky to find because there are so many other stars close by. One good example of a tough star to locate is Corot 2 and its two comparison stars. There are just so many possibilities. The trick again is to look for patterns so you can get your bearings in an image. A good pattern is like a landmark and gives you a place to go from. The pattern that first jumps out to me is this smiley face that I can see in the finder image and in the image to be measured. If I travel from the face's right eye to the right, I find another bright star. Going straight down and a little to the right brings me to two more stars. Our target star is the star on the right. Finding the comparison stars from here is also a bit tricky. Here's how I did it. Below your target star, there's a diagonal line that starts sloping upwards. There are three stars in a row, using these two small stars as the starting point, and the first comparison star is this third star. To find the second comparison star, I imagined a very small smiley face with a missing tooth, up and to the left of the first comparison star. The second comparison star is the face's right eye, which is very, very dim. See if you can find Corot 2 and its two comparison stars in this next image. Here's a hint. It's somewhere in this area. Here's the star. And its two comparison stars.